Vitamix 7500 blender, professional grade 64 oz low profile container. Low profile container was designed to fit easily under most overhead cabinets, so you can keep your Vitamix on the counter and ready to go. You're in control. Adjust the speed during the blend to achieve a variety of textures, or use the pulse feature to create quick bursts of power. Every Vitamix blender comes with temper designed to help process thick, stubborn blends, so you don't have to stop the machine to scrape the sides. Just blend warm water and a drop of this soap at your machine's highest speed, and watch itself clean in 60 seconds. No disassembly required. Blends frozen fruit, heavy powder, all the greens. Powerful motors transform dark ingredients into smooth blends year after year. Every angle of patented container is designed to fold ingredients back to the blades for faster, smoother blends, creating the Vitamix vortex. Laser cut blades are designed to deliver the same quality results from first blend to last, and are resistant to dulling and bending. Blades reach speeds fast enough to create friction heat, bringing cold ingredients to steaming hot in about 6 minutes.